Hi, Mitchell. I am sorry for catching this so late, but you have some plagiarism in your essay, and it shouldn't be that hard to fix. Um, but just word to the wise, when you hand in your essay 4, please check it right away so that you can fix it without having to wait for me to notice it. Okay, so I click here and I get to this report here. And well, I like to click on this little tool here because it shows me what turn it in as matching your words to. And then I just kind of scroll down. And if I see quotation marks around some flagged passage, then that's okay because you've told me with the quotation marks this comes from my source. But when I don't see quotation marks around flagged passages, that's not okay. And I mean, 2 words or 3 words, I'm not too worried about that, but this one's like 14 words, so I am worried about that. I mean, you can put this in quotation marks or you can paraphrase it. You get to choose. This also, that needs to be paraphrased. Down here, so you've got a quote here from here to here. You should start your quote here. Instead of putting your quotation marks here, just start at the beginning of the quote. But here, right here, lower expression of disease-fighting antibodies. And this whole passage, just you need to paraphrase all of this better. When I see something like this, where I've got like 6 words and then like a line that's in your own words, or that's not flagged, and then I've got 4 words flagged, and then this just looks like bad paraphrasing to me. You really need to rewrite your sentences. You need a new, to avoid this problem of bad paraphrasing leading to plagiarism, you need to use a different subject to start your sentences. So like here you say, it was the opposite of the people who are eudaimonia or have a sense of direction. So get rid of, change the subject. Say, people who experience, I don't even know how to pronounce this word, eudaimonic happiness, have purpose in their lives and have health benefits compared to those who seek hedonic pleasure or something like that. You need to like really change the sentence. Let's see what happens down here. Okay, those are just names. And then that's in quotation marks. And here, you have to do some better paraphrasing in here. That's in quotation marks, and so is that. But here, this sentence here, either needs to be put in quotation marks or paraphrased. And then you need some better paraphrasing down here. So you need to go through your essay, and I did start commenting it before I realized this problem. So I'm going to let you work on that plagiarism and get things in quotes and better paraphrases, and then resubmit, and I'll grade the next submission, okay?